Fucking hell, Cole, what you done to his head?
I'm just getting a bit dusty. But I decided that I don't like the wrap. So I'm going back to paint. But I don't like the black either.
So, what made you get a Z in the first place?
Well, it was always a dream of mine to have a supercar. I've been in the unfortunate position never to be able to afford one. So I thought, we're looking for a good platform to build as somewhat with equivalent power to most supercars. So I did a bit of, and I've always liked Nissans, so I thought I'd go with a Z platform and start from there and see what I could do.
So what's the goal with this and why?
I really never had a goal as such. I mean, I toyed about with a rear mount twin turbo at the back, which it was okay. Give fair gain of power on top of the already existing power, but it was laggy. It was inconsistent. I don't think I'd done my sums right. I was still, new to whether this could be done or not. I've seen it done in America a few times. Some guys called Gearheads, I think, and they've done a couple. Soho, SS, and other people have done them. Z1, they do a platform for them. So I know it could be done, but I wanted to do it all myself. I didn't want to buy a kit and bolt it on. I wanted to produce something myself. So that's what I've done. So I've ended up now with a mid-mount turbo, which is putting down some really good power. But I don't want to go over the top because it's only a stock engine. So basically, I really want to get it so it's drivable, power when you want it, and it'll keep up with most things on odd track there that I may do or may not do. But yeah, and then I'm looking at doing body work on it, because it had a wrap which I've never been keen on right from off. It did look good, but it's not as good as paint. Paint will always win for me. So I'm going to put it in my favourite colour, which I'm not saying as yet. But
You want it show condition? Is that the idea?
yeah, I want to do interior. I want to do but I want it all to be nice, but not over the top, not too gaudy. I've debadged it as if that's a thing.
Brown.
But I don't know. I'm just a old man with some dreams.
Like, share, subscribe. Come on, let's have some support.
So I'm gonna paint it a undisclosed colour.
All shall be revealed.
All shall be revealed. But I'm gonna try my hand at some carbon skinning.
Ooh.
So we're gonna be doing the spoiler, the side panels, and I've decided to put some vents in my bonnet. So I'll be carbon skinning them vents.
What are you doing with the bumpers? You've changed the front bumper.
Oh yeah, I've made myself a bumper. Can't afford a body kit, so made But, isn't it? Bloody built not bought thing. So I'm gonna get that bit of a aggressive GTR type of look at the front. Debadged it, took all the number plates off. It's going to have our signature clipping brake,
Cool.
clipping number plate.
You made a little frame for this, didn't you? Because it's changed, hasn't it?
Yeah, I've put a frame inside, strengthen it up a bit. I've still got a bit of rubbing down to do and whatnot. But it's had a washer delete for headlights. Because,
You don't need them, do you?
well, I like the smooth look.
Oh yeah, you made a whole new frame, haven't you? So
Yeah.
it's all level because it was with the gaps in the
We're
corners,
actually
weren't
split.
it? Yeah,
So they cover the splitter with a wrap.
yeah.
So I've yeah. So that's where we are at the moment. It's all my stuff's ready for carbon skinning. So I've got my mirrors, my vents, my side bits, my spoiler. I'm not going to overkill it. I'm debadging it all. I'm getting shut of these. I'm going to put some little darts in, indicator darts in.
Ah, yeah,
So
yeah.
I think it'll look a bit slicker. I've got some big brakes to go on it. Got some new tyres.
Keeping the wheels.
I'm keeping the wheels, but I'm going for a bronzy gold. So it'll go with the colour I've selected.
Yeah.
So I've got some interior updates as well. So I'm going to be getting some upholstery done. Can't say what colour. Secret.
Give it away.
Top secret. Can't give much away, but yeah, it's gonna look cool. I've got digital dashing. I've got Apple CarPlay to go in it. It's gonna get some use this year, so I'm gonna have it how I want it. So
Nice.
yeah, all the turbos on. It's all dialed in. The kit looks good, which will be released. What I'll do is I'll do a full strip down and a full replace video if anybody wants a kit and they want to do it themselves. But for what we're charging, you can afford for us to do it.
Yeah. Very cool. Have you given yourself a date for when it's finished or
And the next month,
the next month?
All done.
That soon. Ooh. Very good. Sound well. Look forward to seeing the finished product
yeah,
and get
well,
some uses, like you said,
it
this year.
wanted doing. Probably a bad time to start it, but hey ho.
There was.
Right, we'll see where we go from here. I'll see you.